Guess what? Guess what? It's time again. 10:30, that's time on East Scott. Hope y'all having a great day. Guess what? It is a beautiful day here in Southeastern Virginia. And we're going to take a little Minimax 103S up in the air today over at the airport here, the Executive Airport. And got a little pit crew going to give me a hand getting the wings on and off. Hope it's going to be a good day. Beautiful, like I said, a beautiful day here. Hope your day's going that way. Had to weld up the tail wheel where it bent on me last time. Did some calibrating to the tachometer. I still don't know if that's correct or not. It seems like it's revving up kind of high. We'll see. I haven't adjusted the pitch on the propeller. All right, got everything hooked up on the trailer. We're ready to go. And got a little GoPro camera on the top and well, not a GoPro, a little Vivitar my son's let me borrow. I rigged up, and one of the guys is going to film whatever we do. But we're going to do a little test hop. We'll see what happens. So come on, let's go check it out.
house is still first flight.
Yes, sir. Thing looks good though, don't it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Should we stand over here in the, or
Yeah, we can stand in the grass.
there you go.
Woo! Well, it turned into a halfway long day. That was pretty fun. We managed to get a little short hop in. Come to realize the propeller does not have enough pitch on it whatsoever. I'm turning up about 10,000 RPMs if the tachometer is right, and it sounds like it is. It's screaming. Took off and fly beautiful though. Really happy with it. So I'm going to adjust the wedge blocks on the propeller and try it again maybe next weekend. I got to find another ride now though. I had to return the propeller. Had to return the trailer that I was borrowing to get it up there. So I got to get me another ride. And you know, I landed on grass, and that was really sweet. It was kind of tall grass at that. It just buffered the landing real good, because it was kind of a bit of an abrupt landing because you know, I lost some lift there because I didn't have the power I thought I had coming from that prop. I didn't have the airspeed. Also, my flight computer and my iPad were both overheated, and my world on the iPad was going up and down and doing all kinds of stuff because the flight computer was giving information that we were flying upside down and all kinds of stuff, where both of them were overheated, where I left them in the toolbox out in the sun this morning. So I gotta remember not to let that stuff get warm before I put it on the plane. I think once it's in the plane, it's okay. But it can't be sitting out in the box in the sun, you know. So anyway, learning a lot. But next time we'll go on a little longer flight, and I'll check the camera out and see. I don't know. See what I can do. Do a little bit more filming. We'll see what happens. Guess what? When I was out there today, what I was doing, I was looking up, because that's where our Savior's coming from. Don't forget it. And that's where I'm going to be too. As soon as I get to the airport again, that's where I'm going to be, up in the air. It was fun. So hope to see you again soon. Take care.